Ako'y personal friend. I'm from Medellin. Yan, sige naman to sila chat nga, Father, iampo in town ni Father, kaya nga naunsam ni akong asawa. Many times, di kasi katu, kaya nga naman, naay makalit og gawas sa iyahang panit dugo. Niya magdamgo siya nga gilumsan, igmata niya, basa ka iyahang katre. Yan na pag ito ng gawas nga dagum. Ako marag nangurok ko. Mabalihin ko na ako. Ako gingnas, Father Russell. There. Nami, of course, si mga sundari-staris, bura. Ako siyang ingnan nga dong. Namoy mahimuan ni dong. Of course, among iyong sumerista, si bura, gi-refer ni Father Russell. Salamat sa Diyos, si Father Russell, nitawag na ako nga, ipadana diri center, Padre. Ug mao to, after how many sessions, karon wala siya maproblema. Ang problema na niya, ang bana na po, kaya masigig pangigi. Lahi na po itong yawa. Pakpakan ginato, ang Ginoo. Wala ko kadungog balita nga nainigawas nga dagom, nainigawas nga lapok, tanan, nga dugo. Karon ang dunggan ako, sige sila away kay masigig pangigi ang bana. Ang ngayon po siguro yung exercise sister ng bana. Bitaw, those things, this ministry, if he had no disposition, that of holiness, kinsabay makaasdang aning mga butanga. Sisters and brothers, the holiness of Monsignor Fred is also our challenge. 90 years. Bisan pagtiguang na kayo, and yet he continued with that ministry. And yet, we hope and we pray that such holiness being manifested by that person would not die together with him. That holiness should be also perpetuated in each and every one of us. Whether namilagruhan ta, whether na-exercise ta, whether benefactor ta, whether pare ta, whether madre ta, whether lay collaborator ta. We all have experienced these things with him, and that is now our turn to also manifest that life to others. And how to be holy? Is it about going to church at bang ramginista bunok nga St. Joseph? Is it about always attending prayer gathering? These are not bad. But you know what? I have read on Facebook during the birthday of Monsignor Fred, I think he was quoted saying, he's grateful that he reached 90 years old, and all the more, he is grateful to the Lord. And even at 90 years old, the only mantra that he has is, in omnibus amare, in omnibus servire. To love and serve the Lord. I think that is what made him holy. All his life was spent in his love for God. I have read a short biography of his. He used to be, during his younger years, he could be a great Harvard scholar in a Harvard Law School. And yet he gave that up and entered in the seminary in Massachusetts. Iwagin masayo. Wa man siya dito sa Harvard, more ang iyang reward. For 90 years, he loved and served the Lord. It is also very providential that today we remember 3 archangels: Gabriel, Raphael, Michael. They are archangels, meaning to say they were somehow overflowing with holiness. Kay mga anghel ba sila? But I think what made them holy as well is not just because of their being creature of God. Their being holy is that they are always coming face to face with God. And of course, what made them holy all the more was their mission. Make Michael as the protector, Gabriel, messenger, Raphael, healer, which is very much applicable also to all of us. We can be holy first in our true and authentic love for God. And that ought to be contextualized in our respective lives. Whether we are a priest, a sister, a husband, a wife, a seminarian, a son, a daughter, or anyone. Sisters and brothers, I think the death of Monsignor Fred, yes, may have saddened many of us. We've lost a very priceless priest. And yet, his death also is a good reminder for all of us that the virtues, the life of holiness that he lived, should not die with him. It should be perpetuated by us. That we also ought to live the life of being holy. And that is why, that is how, that is true, truly loving and serving the Lord. As the song goes, in omnibus amare, in omnibus servire, in omnibus amare, in servire, Domino, in everything love and serve the Lord. May we be holy like our God. May we be holy like our dear Monsignor Fred.